Hi guys, Big 33 here with another video tutorial for RPG Maker 2, PS2. This is going to be a tutorial on how to change the time of day with the step condition. It's going to happen rather fast, but it's just an example of something you can do in the game. I'm going to go to menu and go down to file and start a new file. You can't access this when you have a file already up. You have to go to delete all and then new. And when we do that, when I do that, I'm gonna go to beginner. And this will give me everything in the game to use. And then if I go down to file and the preferences tab down here, user level, in the hardest level, this will let me alter any of the data, which will basically make making a game easier. Now I'm going to go into game settings, and I want to create a variable. So I'll go to custom and down to the variable tab. You go down to the first available variable, 251, and call this step count. It'll be easy. This will be a fairly quick script. Once I go to scripts in the first tab here, which is the actual script, this is like a plugin for all of the functions in the game. You'll be using this a lot. So if I create a new script, I can call it step time by step, not tomb by step. Okay. Tomb, I don't even know. So time by step. The first thing I'm going to do is create a condition. And then if the condition variable step count 251 is equal to or greater than 100, so once let's make it 99, equal to or less than 99. We're going to increase the step. So go to data variable, step count equals itself. So step count will be whatever it is, plus 1. So as long as we haven't exceeded 100, we'll increase the step count. So if I copy this and I paste it down here, if the step count reaches 100, or if it's 100 or over, then our step count will equal 0. So this successfully creates a step condition, just a simple equation here. I'm going to create some other stuff here, so I'm going to copy this and paste it. If the step count is equal to or less than, we'll make 5 different occurrences here. So 19, copy that, paste it. 39, paste it. 59, copy, paste it, and 79. This should be the last one I need. I'm not sure there's that many times it is. So this will create 4 different conditions. It has to be equal to or less than, equal to or greater than 19, equal to or less than 18. So I have to do that. That would have been a huge error. And then I'll copy this and paste it and make that 38. Wait, that won't work. Yeah, I'll delete that. Wait. Equal to or greater than 39. Equal to or less than 39. Equal to or greater than 38. So, if over 38 but under 39. So, 38 or 39, 18 or 19, 58 or 59, and 78 or 79. I don't even need that. Really, all you need here is an equals. I'm very tired. I've stayed up late today. I like to work on projects, so it's very early for me. We'll just make this an equal because it only needs to be equal. It wouldn't have been too much of an error, but it's just too much input. So if it's equal to these numbers, once it reaches this number, something will occur. And what's going to happen is we're going to change the screen display and go to screen effects, time, and change it to dawn within 90 frames. So that's 3 seconds. That's decent. And then we'll copy this and change the time for each time: dawn, noon, dusk, and night. So once it reaches over each individual number or at the number, it's going to change the time of day. Like I said, this is fast. It's all this needs. Did I do that right? Yeah, I did that right. Okay, so I'll update that. I need this to be an event, so we're gonna plug this script into an event, and it's going to be a system event that we're gonna call time by step. And then apply our event, our script into our event. So now, once this system event is called, it'll apply, or this portion, or script. I need this to be an indirect effect, which is like a status, like poison or sleep or paralyze, or whatever you want to do. But a condition can really be anything in this game. You could be on fire. I mean, I don't know. We're gonna call this time by step, and go to the custom tab and alter the length. We want this to repeat indefinitely. So we basically want these two values to be 0. If the status were to occur in battle, you could reduce these to 0 and it would make it infinite too. Or you could change the targeted. Once targeted lasts 2 turns, 1 turn, no turns, stuff like that. But it's going to be a world only, which I'll show you how to do. If you go to advanced and down to flow 1, flow 2, I mean, you can alter when the effect is used, and we're going to change that to world. And for each result this applies in the world, which means this will keep happening each time you take a step, it'll count us as taking a step or to reset our step. And then within the first flow, for the first time it happens, this applies. So every time it happens, not even the first time, but each time it happens, it has to apply something. If nothing were to be applied in new success, there would be no application. So both of these have to be in place for it to keep happening. We're going to alter the status to condition 9, which you can name anything, but you can keep using this condition and stack it on the player. And how I'm going to do that is go into the game settings and go to party members and alter Verk's data. Go to the advanced tab, which you can only access in hard mode. You can access all 3 tabs, custom and normal, advanced and hard mode. And go to condition, and we're going to apply an effect which we just created, which is our time by step. And that's all we need to do. So I'll update that. Just to make this easier to show, I'm going to go into game, general settings, and remove these players. It'll just be a little easier to show. And then I'll just start, and it should do it. So let's go to test play and start. So I'm going to walk, and once he's reached 19 steps, it should get brighter, I think. So there's our 90 seconds, it's noon. It's 90 seconds. It's dusk. I don't really see the darkness changing any. I don't know. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so now it's dusk. And soon it'll be night. Okay. There we go. So we have successfully changed the time of day with a step condition. This was Big 33. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, have fun.